Every adventure begins with a single amount of curiosity. Taking a step into the unknown leads me to places I've never been. For me, that's the beauty of travel. I was just a young kid the first time I traveled on a plane, and since then, I've been on a mission to explore as much as possible of the world around me.
Oh my god!
The tail's gonna come up in a second, isn't it? Look at the tail!
It was my grandmother who planted the seed of travel inside of me. She would tell me that I needed to get out and meet people. I needed to meet people who were like me and people who were different than me. I needed to learn from those cultures and find the beauty in everything I would encounter. Fast forward to today, and I'm doing just that. Whether it's climbing to the top of a mountain, chasing waterfalls, or exploring vast deserts, I've discovered that the most beautiful part about travel are the stories that you create along the way. Each journey feels like a story waiting to be told, and each place has left an incredible mark on my heart. When I capture these memories, it's not just about creating beautiful visuals. It's about using my love for film and storytelling to connect, to share these adventures with family, friends, and even strangers across the world. These are my defining moments.